Ẹ tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹgbóhùn ẹnu mi lọ́mọdé lágbà lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin. Baálé ilé kú, afọlọ́kùnrùn joyè, ẹkún ń gorí ẹkún. Baálé ilé kú, afọlọ́kùnrùn joyè, ẹkún ń gorí ẹkún. This proverb is to tell us to be careful of quick fix solution. Sometimes the solution we put in place as a way out to our problem may sometimes create more problem for us. Imagine, the chief of the house has died. Instead of them to go and look for someone young and healthy, they now want to go and pick an old man who is also sick and make him the next chief. We all know very soon that compound will still fall into tears because that man too will soon die. We are being encouraged by this proverb that we should be careful of who we run to when looking for solution to our problems. Look for a long-lasting solution. Kó má di pé baálé ilé kú tán, a tún fọlọ́kùnrùn joyè láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà, ẹkún ò tún gorí ẹkún ni.